Okay, so I put out a video about a year ago about why intermittent fasting did not work for me. And here's what you guys had to say.
You're too strict with fasting. You're complicating it way more than it is. I think you're too inflexible. It's fine to move your eating window around. I've been doing IF for about a month and a half. I see this as a daily lifestyle.
In my 6 week long experiment, I tried 3 of the most popular IF diets to see which one I liked. Turns out, I found out what I didn't like. So I didn't like 2 things. One, being aware of when I eat and when I don't eat. Ain't nobody got time for that. And 2, squeezing 1,800 to 2,200 calories in a short eating window. I specifically felt this with the Warrior Diet and the OMAD diet. I had a serious case of the itis. Sorry. Now, with that said, we always have the freedom to change our minds. So to become aware of my habits, I decided to track when I eat. Here's my default. I'll usually finish dinner around 5 to 7 p.m., and I'll usually eat my first meal around 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. That's a pretty big window, but this automatically gives me a fasting window anywhere between 15 to 20 hours. Turns out, I was doing IF without even realizing it. Here's what I love so much about eating this way. I wake up energized and feeling light. I eat 2 big meals a day, which simplifies planning around what to eat. I work out on an empty stomach, which builds my appetite and makes the food taste so good. From a science perspective, eating this way gives our digestive system a break so that our body can use this extra energy to work on other functions. Our body can also engage in autophagy to rid us of malfunctioning and suboptimal cells. When I'm not eating, I continue to drink water so that it flushes out all of this unwanted cellular waste and keeps my energy stable. All of the benefits of IF are benefits that I'm down for. Sign me up. So hey, I just wanted to come on here and clear the air about my relationship with intermittent fasting. Turns out for me, it doesn't work when I'm being obsessive about when to eat, when not to eat. And without having to label myself as someone who's doing the Warrior Diet or someone who's doing the 18-6 diet. It gave me the flexibility that I needed to decide what works on a day-to-day basis. So thank you guys so much for your feedback and your comments on my last IF video. Because of you, I gave IF another chance. So I appreciate that. And that is it for me. I will see you in the next video.